how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change negative numbers into positive ones in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're cleaning data or fixing calculations, this method will save you a lot of time. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel and let's start with the easiest formula. Click on an empty cell next to your negative number and then type equals to ABS. So click on it and then just select the number that you want to change into positive and hit enter. So there you go. Now the result will be in positive. You can just scroll it down and fill out the values as well. Another trick is in a new cell, tap on equals to, choose the number, and then put in asterisk to multiply and multiply it with -1. So this will also convert the negative number into a positive one, and you can again drag the handle and then fill other columns as well. I mean other cells as well. And this is how you change your negative numbers into positive instantly. I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.